As we look forward, offshore wind continues to be a crucial part of the global path to net zero. That won't be true in all parts of the world. In much of the equatorial parts of the world, the predominant form of renewable electricity will be solar, and as long as you have batteries, you'll be able to balance those between day and night. But in the northern latitudes, yes, we'll have some solar, but we will want a lot of wind as well. And offshore wind has a particularly attractive feature that it tends to have a much higher factor capacity utilization. It tends to run more of the years than onshore wind, whereas in onshore wind, maybe you get 2,500, 3,000 hours of wind a year. In some of the offshore locations, the most favorable ones, you can have wind 5,000 or 6,000 hours per year. And that means it's a hugely important part of a renewable energy-based system. It'll help us balance the grid, balance supply and demand. Now, of course, the offshore wind itself may go down for periods when we have anticyclones, so you've got to have storage and flexibility responses to that. But along with other forms of renewable energy and nuclear capacity, it can be, and it should be, a very significant part of the total solution. And indeed, in the UK, we still think it's likely that offshore wind will be the biggest single source of electricity for the UK electricity system in 2050, and a cost-effective one. Across the whole world, there is huge opportunity in offshore wind. The IEA about 3 years ago did a special deep dive on the potential for offshore wind, and they worked out that in an ideal circumstance, it would be possible to produce about 420,000 terawatt hours of electricity a year from offshore wind. That compares with even very, very aggressive forecasts for total required electricity in a zero carbon global economy of maybe 70,000, 90,000, 100,000 terawatt hours. So there's lots of offshore wind off there. The prices have come down, the costs have come down a lot over the years to 2019-20. They went up temporarily, but they absolutely have the potential to come down with appropriate policy, and we should still continue to see offshore wind as a crucial part of our future energy system.